What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look what I got, VHS camcorder or whatever, but welcome. Today we are going to be installing some new fog lights on the E36. As you can see, it doesn't have fog lights, and I think it'd look a lot better with some fog lights. So got this off eBay for like 30 bucks. Link is going to be in the description if you are interested. Check them out. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. It's glass, so it would have been really bad if I dropped it, but this is what it comes with: the little bracket thingy and the light bulb. So I don't know if you guys could see these little hooks. Probably, yeah, those hooks. They go around this, or this goes around the hooks, like that. And then there's a little clip over here that goes into here. So no more talking. Like, comment, subscribe, and just enjoy the video. Sorry if y'all can't hear me, I'm in public, very awkward. So yeah, peace. So to get started with this, there's 2 pins right here. I think it's just one, I don't know if it's 1 or 2, but you just press them in and this cap, it just comes off. Okay, well, I lied. You could just use a freaking flathead and take it out through here. Just be careful, because I did chip it, so careful with that. So another thing is the bracket is going to go into this hole right here, and I think right here, I really don't know. So I'm not going to be connecting these or hooking them up. I did plan on doing that with the headlights, but I'm no electrician, so I have no idea how to do that. And this doesn't even come with the connector, so kind of played myself with that. But basically this is what the car would look like with the fog lights. I hope it don't fall, but something like this, which is a lot better. I am going to be fixing up these headlights, just not now. It's not the right weather, and I'm gonna polish the car and everything soon, hopefully in summer. It gets held on there, but I don't know how I'm going to be holding it on. Alright, so I don't have a socket for it. I thought this was a 10, but my sister bought an 8. If you're watching this, I'm sorry, I did steal your damn bolt you bought. So it worked. Alright guys, so I need zip ties, and I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend, so I'll just finish some other day. I'll just pass by Walmart real quick, maybe even do it at her house. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this back on and just skedaddle, because we gotta go get her car. So I'll be right back. Peace. Yeah, that's good.
That damn bird.
Okay. Oh, my butt cheeks are showing.
What do you mean by that?
Ew. You're a butt crack shower.
Black zip ties are clear. What do you say?
Black.
Yeah.
It matches this. The clear will show. Oh, it's all the way in there? Hard. Is that true?
Bro, what the?
Eureka beats. Don't tell me you're gonna show the part where you're still struggling.
Nah.
It'll be a long clip.
They ain't even gonna see I struggled.
Look at this.
I think I got it. Okay, next one.
This is the before, and this is the after.
It shows. It shows. Not no more. Okay, there, it's straight now. It was like pointing downwards a bit. You could see it, but I ain't gonna tell no one. There's cardboard, no one's gonna know. Next. What the hell is this? What is this? Damn, if this doesn't need freaking cardboard under these, that means I should have started with the top. Yeah.
This is a long video now.
Make it short.
I don't know what that is.
The cardboard.
Oh.
Alright guys, it's nighttime. I forgot to record the after, but here's how the car's looking. Obviously the headlights need to be restored, which will be in my next video. Not next video, but in a couple of videos. So here's the car with the fog lights. I did add, as you guys saw, a little bit of cardboard right there on both sides just because they were sagging down and it just didn't look flush. So now with the little cardboard, it helped a lot. I might put something else, but honestly I really don't mind because you can't even see it from like right here. Well, a little bit just, but don't worry about it. One last thing before I head out. I forgot I didn't connect them just because I don't have the connectors that go to the fog lights, and obviously this came with no fog lights. So if I ever do connect them, I am going to get the harness for the fog lights and somehow connect them with the headlights, so when I turn on the headlights, the fog lights turn on. But that'll probably never happen, but if it does, it'll be later in the future. So yeah, just had to say that before I ended the video. Peace.